Hey guys, Matt here, and in today's YouTube Shorts, I am trying some spicy seaweed. It looks like it's kimchi flavored, and let's see what it tastes like. It smells spicy. It smells like kimchi almost, and let's see what it tastes like. Not a whole lot of flavor initially going on, but I'm definitely tasting the spice a lot more. I'm not sure if it's gonna, the spice is continuing to escalate, if it's gonna stay the same, but there is a little bit of a kick to it. I'm not a fan though. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a peace!